Be careful with computer during summer as overheat can get it damaged. Avoid direct sunlight. Keep computer away from direct sunlight, which can damage the computer components. Do not put the device on the laps, couch, or on bed. The air will not flow well from the vents, causing the device to overheat. Place it on a flat surface always. Clean the fan and heat sink. Dust and dirt often accumulates. If left unattended, it blocks the fan from functioning well. This can cause the fan to overheat. So, clean the fan often for effective functioning. Apply thermal paste on processor and on graphics chips. Do not keep the device in your car. When the interior is hot can cause the device to overheat and get damaged in the long run. Work for long hours? This can cause overheat, so use a cooling pad to prevent overheating. Use laptop case during summer. Ensure case is moisture and heat rated to keep your device cool. If you leave apps running, your device will likely overheat. So, keep checking and clearing all background apps. Do not rush. Double check whether it is shut down well. Ensure proper shutdown. Always unplug charger when fully charged. Leaving it on the charge can affect the battery life, and the device will overheat. Use heat monitoring apps to run background temperature checks and to get warned when the heat rises. These tips can help you take care of your computer and avoid damage that could lead to costly repairs or replacements. Contact Tech Intro Systems for more help.